friends. Welcome to the Wreath Galore collaboration. Thank you so much for stopping in. Friends, this is a collaboration with the Grace Life DIY channel, Miss Anna, and this is the Wreath Galore collaboration. And she has so many other hosts and co-hosts that is with her. So I want to thank all these ladies for putting this together. Now today, me and my granddaughter is in Home Goods, and I'm going to have a little vlogging on here. But you will see my wreath as you saw it in the beginning, and you will see what I do with my wreath for my front door. So we're just looking through Home Goods, and here are some traditional wreaths. So I hope you enjoyed this little vlogging today. Thank you so much for stopping in. Friends, this is my swag that I did on my front door last week. And I will leave a link and icon for this if you want to see how I put this together. But I still have my heart on this wreath. That's right. This is the one I really wanted. I saw it at Target, but I saw a better one at Home Goods. So this was at Home Goods for only $34. And I'm telling you guys, my husband said it looks like it's for Christmas, and I said no, it's for the fall. So guys, what you think? I love this on my black door. I tried it inside, but I felt like the black door brought it out a whole lot more. Now don't get me wrong, I did love my little swag, and I may put it on the other door, on the side door. But for this door, I just wanted something different for this fall. Now, I did get this little scarecrow from the Dollar Tree, and I was just putting her inside there. I'm not going to leave her there, but how many of you like her inside of this, of something a little different? But I wanted to add a little color with this fall wreath, and I'm just going to maneuver it just a little down some. I had it a little bit too high, but nevertheless I am going to leave it like this. I love it like this because it matches and bring out my rug that I found from Bells for only $10, and it has the orange and the burgundy in it. Friends, I hope you can see on the video, I do have that burgundy beautiful color inside of my rug. So that's why I wanted to put that burgundy flower to give it a little uplift. So what y'all think about this look? friends, this is the finished look. I love this wreath. I'm going to stick with this one for this fall. I may put some pumpkins out here later when it cooled down just a little bit more. But I hope you enjoyed this. I want to thank all the ladies that's a part of this collab. Miss Anna for putting this together. And guys, thank you so much. And if you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thank you so much to all my faithful friends. God bless you. And I will try to be back with y'all as much as I can. Y'all have a blessed day and hope y'all enjoy this beautiful wreath. Please have a blessed night. Bye-bye from Penny.